Ever found yourself staring at a transaction, wondering, wait, where exactly did this money just travel from? Especially when it involves a platform like Airwallex, a global payments giant. You're trying to understand the regulatory landscape, the security, maybe even just satisfy your curiosity. Where are they actually registered? Is it some island paradise with lax financial laws, or a major financial hub? It's a question that pops up for businesses and individuals alike, especially in today's increasingly interconnected financial world. Think about it. We use these platforms to move money across borders, pay international suppliers, and receive funds from clients around the globe. But behind the sleek interface and seamless transactions lies a complex web of regulations and registrations. Knowing where a company like Airwallex is registered gives us a glimpse into how they operate, the rules they abide by, and ultimately, a sense of trust. So, let's dive into the heart of the matter. Airwallex isn't a single entity registered in one location. It operates with a global structure, holding various licenses and registrations across different jurisdictions. This is crucial for them to offer their comprehensive suite of financial services worldwide. Firstly, Airwallex's global headquarters are located in Melbourne, Australia. This is where the company was founded in 2015. However, being headquartered in a location doesn't necessarily mean it's the sole place of registration or licensing. Airwallex holds an Australian Financial Services License, AFSL, which allows them to provide financial services within Australia. This is a foundational regulatory element that underscores their legitimacy and adherence to Australian financial standards. But their reach extends far beyond Australia. They have established a strong presence in Hong Kong, a major financial hub in Asia. Airwallex holds a money service operator, MSO, license in Hong Kong, enabling them to offer money remittance and foreign exchange services. This strategic move allows them to tap into the vibrant Asian market and facilitate cross-border transactions efficiently. In Europe, Airwallex is authorized as an electronic money institution, EMI, by the Dutch Central Bank, De Nederlandse Bank. This authorization allows them to operate across the European Economic Area, EEA, providing payment services and e-money solutions. This is particularly important for businesses dealing with European clients and suppliers, ensuring compliance with EU financial regulations. Furthermore, Airwallex has secured licenses and registrations in the United States. They operate as a money transmitter in various states, demonstrating their commitment to complying with U.S. financial regulations. This allows them to offer their services to businesses and individuals within the U.S. market. In the UK, Airwallex is authorized by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, as an authorized payment institution, API. This authorization enables them to provide payment services within the UK, adhering to the stringent regulatory standards of the UK financial market. Essentially, Airwallex has strategically obtained licenses and registrations in key financial jurisdictions around the world to ensure they can operate legally and efficiently. This multi-jurisdictional approach allows them to offer a wide range of financial services while complying with local regulations. This global registration strategy isn't just about ticking regulatory boxes. It's about building trust. By adhering to the rules and regulations of different financial authorities, Airwallex demonstrates its commitment to security, transparency, and compliance. Understanding where Airwallex is registered helps us appreciate the complexity of global financial operations and the importance of regulatory compliance. It's not a simple answer, but rather a network of registrations designed to facilitate seamless international transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.